Hello and welcome to the weekly manifesting report with the angels for December 6th through December 12th, 2021. My name is Rachel Avalon. I'm a spiritual coach, angel channel, and angel healer. I work very closely with the angels to help spiritual women to achieve the success, the freedom, and the impact that they know they were born for. So the way this works is I'm going to give you an overview for the week ahead that the angels have channeled to me about the energy that is most important to focus on and to work with for manifesting your next level goals. And then we're going to get into numbers 1, 2, and 3. So go ahead and choose the numbers you're most drawn to, 1, 2, or 3, or any combination of these, and let me know what you chose below. So the energy for this week is all about taking stock of things, reviewing your greater vision, looking at your goals, looking at what's still aligned and what's no longer aligned for you. As we round up 2021, we're in the last few weeks of this year and we're heading into 2022. So the energy this week really supports us in taking a look back over this year and really getting clear on what our heart and soul truly desires. And the angels are reminding you that you get to decide how you want to live your life, what you really want to put your time and energy and attention into. But if things are feeling a bit off kilter or off track or just not going in the direction that you want them to go, or things are going very well, but you know you're ready for that next level, make sure you let the angels know. Make sure you let the universe know. Call in that support at this time. Get clear on your vision. And at the end of this week, we're heading into the 12-12 portal, which also supports this clarity of vision. This is a powerful energy portal that is all about releasing the old and bringing in new, fresh energies, new amazing windfalls of opportunities to help you accelerate your path to your goals and dreams. So utilize this energy. It is going to help you to get clearer, and you can call upon the angels to help you to do this. Archangel Metatron, Archangel Uriel are very powerful for helping you get clarity and to prioritize goals and dreams. We're also still coming through this eclipse season, this eclipse energy. We just had a new moon solar eclipse a couple of days ago. So you can still work with that energy as well. It's supporting us in accelerating our manifesting. If you haven't already checked out my free guide, which gives powerful information, prayer, and ritual for working with the angels and the moon energy to accelerate your manifestation, you can go ahead and check that out. The link is below. And I also want to remind you guys about this powerful opportunity of working with the angels through my new program, Quantum Manifestation. You can get 75% off until tomorrow. In this program, I'm going to teach you which archangels to call upon, when to call upon them, how to work with them specifically to work with any goal or dream you have so that you can manifest it faster. The angels are the most amazing, magical beings I have ever encountered for working with manifestation. If you feel called, if your soul feels called to join this program, go ahead and check that out. 75% off until tomorrow. So now let's get into numbers 1, 2, and 3. If you chose number 1, this message is all about trusting your desires. And this comes to you from Archangel Haniel. She is letting you know that your desires are valid, and it's so important to pay attention to them at this time, to take some time to go within and connect with those desires. She's reminding you that it doesn't matter if they seem like crazy, wild ideas. It's so important to look at these ideas, to pay attention to them, to honor them, to allow them to really fully come through strongly. You might not see anyone who has the same ideas as you, the same vision as you. There may be no other examples around you. Looking at social media or other forms of media, you are most likely a pioneer for a lot of ideas and wisdom coming through, and that is okay. She wants you to know that it's important to trust your unique ideas, your unique wisdom, your unique desires, the deepest desires of your soul, because that is actually going to be your compass and your guide for the massive levels of success and abundance that you desire and that you know you are meant to have. So make sure you're paying attention to those, trust those desires, trust your intuitive nudges. She says your intuition is being heightened at this time as well. So you might be getting new insights through your dreams. You might be seeing more signs from the angels and messages coming through, flashes of inspiration. Trust those, pay attention to them. Know that these intuitive nudges are real and they're going to help catapult you forward on your path. If you chose number 2, this message is all about reaping rewards. And this comes to you from Archangel Ariel. And she is reassuring you that all of your efforts are paying off. Everything that you have been doing is adding up, even if you can't see it at this time, even if things feel frustrating or difficult or challenging, or you're just questioning and wondering if you're on the right path or what you're doing is still important or what you're doing is still working, all that kind of stuff. She wants you to pay attention to where you might be questioning or doubting your manifesting. And she wants you to bring it back to knowing that everything is working out for your highest good, and everything is paying off. Every step that you've been taking along your journey is adding up. All of those steps build on top of each other to create the massive dreams, the massive results that you desire. So keep believing in yourself, believing in your dreams, believing in the universe, trusting that the angels and the universe are helping you and that everything is paying off. Archangel Ariel is also reminding you to be gentle with yourself and to not be so hard on yourself, to not judge yourself so harshly, and to focus on how far you have come in all that you have already done, all that you have already achieved, and to send love to yourself and to honor yourself and nurture yourself. The more nurturing and gentle and loving and accepting of yourself you are, you're actually creating and opening up the space for the universe to send more love to you, more abundance to you, more support to you, more opportunities for success and fulfillment and freedom to flow to you. If you chose number 3, this message is all about fueling your dreams. And this message comes to you from Archangel Metatron. And he is letting you know that it is so important to focus on your highest vision at this time. Do not lose sight of your highest vision. Do not give up on your biggest dreams and goals. Keep fueling this energy. Keep focusing on what you truly desire. He's letting you know that it's okay if your vision is shifting. It's okay if there's some things that you need to let go of. Actually, your vision is even expanding at this time. So your highest vision that you've held might be shifting and changing because it is expanding. And Archangel Metatron is letting you know that you might have to have a little bit of patience as you shift and as you expand and as the universe rearranges everything for you. There is so much going on behind the scenes, and he is letting you know that everything is coming together in divine perfect order, in divine perfect timing. So keep fueling your dreams, fueling your greater vision, and that as you have this patience and go with the flow, things are going to start making more sense and coming together faster very soon. So those are all the messages for this week. Make sure to let me know if you chose 1, 2, or 3 and how the messages resonated with you. And don't forget to check out the free guide, Manifesting with the Angels and the Moon. And if you want in on the 75% off 6-week program, Quantum Manifestation, to take your goals and dreams to that next level, to accelerate the path to your goals, working with the angels very closely, make sure to get in on that before Tuesday, December 7th. Thank you guys for watching. Have an amazing week. Sending many blessings, and I'll see you guys back here next week.